first na ka meka say ken yellow o yellow no ya mienum no kure ne efe pa ena na no ye bie phone line say colors okrofo famra na obi yellow no ni twi din wa say akokọ anwa
akokọ adumo oba sa no mo frɛ no
akokọ anwa
akokọ sade na sa akokọ anwa ye yellow na anwa sa anya sade akokọ cholesterol
ena akwaba
ya son you are to share the broadcast na yenko share the broadcast isia na Nsem Sisi na Nsem na Sisi no ya be ye ni nyina na in just 10 minutes ma wie
ba de oba de ya me mpene say
me kodi
ye friend say me kodi so be kwada body
e nsa
they are all sanitize people no so eno so ya mente ase
oh these animals can rest on surfaces including paper
animals way
coronavirus
animals
anom ye nipa
nana kode ko wani
mommy imaba etebusia share the broadcast ne yankosesi a Adom 106.3 FM wo Facebook o logonwa na tese wawuram na me mention sesi a
na ka be den
logon ayaba o say Constance Asamwa Oberempong in the building yes and Kofi Lighter also say you doing great work keep it up na there is do me an kasa me piesie was say CP no eti mo share ne enko because me ma share etu so share na OP CP Nsem Sisi
mo anonko
I like it the rhythm is good OP to CP I just say alliteration
OP to CP CP to OP
your friend alliteration
responsibly
yes now can transparent be who asem. If I should break it down into syllabated syndromes, when we say
what is syllabated syndrome?
Oh, syllabated syndrome is when you break a bulk sentence into pieces. When we say transparent, it is when a woman is parenting a child who is not for her. Abefu frefron say adoption.
One more 8 in Sabri.
Yes.
But more than so obeko Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall na hwe dwumedi na like sanso na YouTube and so Work and Happiness. But more than say obeko na wahwe dwumedi responsibly.
Eti transparent no. That is the syllable for that. Trans and parent. Mother who is taking care of a child who does not belong to her. Transparent. It means the child has transferred his parenthood from one parent to the other. Okay. So when you hear the word trans, it means movement or locomotion.
What is locomotion?
Locomotion is when you move from one place to the other. You locomote.
You move
from one place to the other. From a destination to the other destination. You're locomoting.
Even within Ghana cry.
Oh yes, you can locomote from La Paz to Kokomlemle. Okay. You are a locomotor.
Okay, so when you locomote, I get the way for baby.
Ako baby. Exactly. It's a movement on Facebook. Oh yes, it is a creation. We are trying to do away with the white English. Oh, okay. So we are creating our own.
That is Oberempong CP English.
Oh yes. And it is
locomote.
Locomote.
I don't know what spelling is say.
LOCOMOT. Locomote.
Na she know ama.
She know there. It depends on what you're doing at the time. Now, OPD case number 1. Good morning.
We him Gomez here.
Monkey steal coronavirus patient blood samples from lab and India to prepare light soup.
But more than so we call Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall.
Now,
at the house is
video no monkey a ochimako ewa with coronavirus sample. It's amazing story. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Say it.
Yes.
It is.
It is.
Now, India na some we see ye.
Meme Gigi mo how.
India and some we see ye. The attenye lab technicians and more India. And no matimia ye a lot of contact tracing. Atimia gada a lot of samples of coronavirus patients, but they were positive cases. And they do blood samples ni na kwakoguo. Wamdi kwakoguwa from nowhere. All of a sudden, na and we monkeys, about trillions of them, they were in groups. No more bochenku abawura tech lab ho. Omubura wa apam lab technicians ni na.
Enwe no.
Omubura wa pam lab technicians ni na. Omupam omuwie ya no. Ano mubawura the storeroom of the blood. Ano mkosisa emoja na ya test ya twetwe nyina. Ani no ma na ya twetwe nyina. Ana behwe omu dimirika.
We dey utimi say nipa nwe.
Ana omu dimirika na America no mu di no. Ayi no sample usa ya na obi adin bonade ho. No obi adin bonade on results no ya tro either negative or positive, whether intermediary or subject. Na nyina ya twetwe. It were your positive cases. Ana nwe no exercise. Opi. Ana mo ko tena dua so.
Enwe no.
Eno mate anka. Eno mo wenwe eyi no samples no franka no. Corona plus orange. Aye orange.
Jim FM.
Corona plus
Orange aye orange.
Aso.
Enti no mo nom.
Emso obi eyidin o.
David anything. Me anu my made.
There be obi brand video.
Enye brand bia. Am team ni enye brand bia.
Enti Corona plus
Orange. Orange.
Corona plus
Orange. Orange. Enti monkeys were taking orange on the tree because corona samples no mo dia franka. Eno mo ti dua no so no mo nom. Na monkey a onum orange. You can imagine the facial expression. Very nice. Na Nsem Sisi team no copy one yebusa nwe say why are you taking the orange? Eno mo kire say yes orange no aye immune booster. Vitamin C wom. Enti no ma say that dia fra corona positive hwan no samples no. Enti wo mo de anka na egboase a boost your immune system already. Ti orange no wo mo nom no we samples no kra enyo mo hwe. Ana me say mbanya corona ibi no say David ntini aye orange no.
Enwe no.
Enwe no nom orange.
Nkrafo fe na adu.
Yes I do.
Adu sumonkwadu.
Asabrei. Ukopie wa India asem na yehu a aye international news ankofo enhu adwiri wo mo.
Aye so omonum orange.
Omonum orange. So anytime you mix corona and orange you get orange.
And also we na anu e so ahwe na akoyo problem.
Eti sese de sie no. Mahum ankofo Facebook ma hwe. But say ade to no we corona samples plus orange.
Ma me hwe bi me phone em
say. Hwe bi na say bi. A chese no asia obi a ho adwiri no.
Bobo de say obekọ Adom 106.3 FM Facebook wall na what me.
Na no na. Doctor wano no ewo lab ho. Dr. SK Gaga. And what you say why you so perplexed? Perplexed. Esa say omu hu say nri no every samples no. Omu hu dwiri wo mo. And so nri ne say nom de still. Enya de so mbejaya. And who nsem asie. Sudan ye kwakopie. Sudan man forced to marry goat.
Hey.
Sudan bema bi afaso no mana wari na go to club of the design.
Nsem Sisi.
Go to bluff the design.
Go to bluff the.
Go to your bluff one. Aponchi bluff the design goat.
Sa pepe.
And aponchi say goat. And na man yama na wari goat.
There be we say go to bluff the design.
E dey aponchi. Asabrei aponchi ba de tienie. Wo wura yi odwa wura no aponchi wura ne friend say Alifi. Alifi chese watete wana. Wo wura ni corridor mu. Wo kwa abonten a wo ba oduru corridor mu no. Na wate say sound be orthodox sound.
orthodox sound.
No, what exactly is going on here at my corridor? No, Dano, or Pontinas, I said so. Combio.
I didn't know okay.
Eti papa ni wura hwa. Abrantie yi, evra ni se tumbe. Tumbe no obutu apontina chi.
Hey.
No obu nipa dwe. Your friend consistent waste tweeting or tweeting waste
Responsibly.
It was so consistent and energetic.
Oni aponchi
No. Ama chese omukwa no wa fifia ponchina no ma fifia mo ho founderings and boundaries. Ma ni nyina be touchings and all the other adjectives. Ama chese jai
we no
watompa adusum yesiwo ena wine grass su o mo nchen aponchi de baako.
Nanse
Man no so de baako na ponchina no msanabo. Enti ase o repu aponchini mpo.
Nanse Ghana ye hu video bi na security class obi ene aponche
Omuta ye
wakoye sofu ye spiritual
o say
say what
omuni nada na asem we no ena sabre
say si no e na spiritual na
it could be ye baba how de mawia ena man ye twa ne ye si dole no aponchi wura so metua dole 15,000 Sudanese dinars. That's the $50. And when we met ya, dole no ya sika de your ban ho de. It is only a one other dia and your ben ho de, and I'm telling you, uko Facebook why ye a punching ho de Asian wedding gong, Asian wedding ring.
And I say you know
a punching in a wedding.
Hey, Nsem Sisi.
Na wedding go no so fe pa amponchi wedding go se fe ye huntam a.
Enke yisu no. E kwakotena fie ni aponchi.
Oni na kwotena fie o master te wo. Omo first born.
Hey.
Ni tie nipa ni na ya aponchi.
Wow.
Ena cha so tifio ye fre no aponi. The first born no.
Ye fre say
aponi. And you busa upon say ada na to obani di aponi. And was because it is a product of aponchi and nipa.
Nsem say no ya na e bi nyini. But sisi akase ye krom ha ensem wenum nyina bi
sia ensi yank ye be
because kese bedum na bi ana me so me dwen ho amente ase
OPD ensi ya video no na me na da
timi ne moa like me
asabre no ya force no mana ware
ya what is happening obi question obusa se edi enkura na esi wo
ye be ya no kire na we no esi wo hai hai
also for Reverend Aidan wa
hai Malakal, Upper Nile State. And na some we see ya. Just a pontino. Why did Dolly? I'm here what dear. As an wedding ring.
Almost say your law says only a boy than
and your law, it is a punishment. Utu you be a more warren Sisia. Odo Paco. I mean, I would have ponche worry. A brave. Enti wire. When you see people. When on the broth, your friend, bestiality. Bestiality. When an animal have sexual knowledge of a man is bestiality. So the process and the act is bestialism.
Englishman.
And the man who did the bestiality is the bestialist.
So.
Asabre. Ayawra wusempa ewo ho. OPDA.
CPA.
Obi funa yira.
Hey, ewo hene.
Takwa.
Ghana ha.
Yeah, don't mind you. Obi funa yira.
Wo se takwa na bi yira wo takwa na bi yira wo do.
Yira do man hinkro ewo Ghana ha.
E ba ne say.
Ye de wofa takwa akwoto moche wawu. Ama busua akwoto ne nanta de mfuna ka ponchin no ma. Ye de be ya yie. From what never suspected and anticipatory circumstances. Na fe wamuko moche roso muko yifunu a. Afia ne de funu bia mo mo. Wamuko koduru fie hwehwe wofa animu ase a. Wofa ne ente ne kam. Wofa na ne sintui. Agwamwe wofa nanim no the human nomenclature of wafa has been transmogrified into another creature of substance. Now say this is not the offer we know. And for that matter,
but also for Aidan,
when the prof is good, you play across. You play across.
Can you repeat what you just said again?
Repetition is emphasis. And for that matter, it is proper to emphasize on substantiable issues. And therefore, Wafana Sabreno, the human creature has been metamorphosed into another creature of entity. I'm a Sabreno, and I'm saying, no, this is not the wafer we know. And I'm saying, transfer wafer. I do call Amachiho, Machiho. And I'm saying, Mamma from wrong rob cops. This is a wrong copsy. And unti, Monfa of Fatama, and yes, I did Buso.
This is rough day.
Wrong copsy. Wrong copsy.
And I'm offensive.
Wrong copsy.
Go in him.
So copsy, you flew. And now wrong. Not just the right one. And to rock copsy. I'm a Sabreno. I had din man sweat da the man in crow and near bush of our tabus yamuno. It looks like a flaming surface. And now furnace. When you say furnace, let me come. When we say a furnace, it is a furnace is a fire that is unquenchable.
It takes two to come. So
a furnace.
How do you come?
I'll come. For that one, coming is nice.
It takes two to come.
Yes.
So how are you coming?
Policeman caught having sex with a prostitute with her uniform. Yes, one caught directed traffic. Traffic light nasinu obunipa.
Hey.
And who buzz on in theatre we are awesome. Very strategic noise. So he was trying to express his call.
And also PM.
So what you soon a call. Is the so very soon a gun. What's in Ukraine? But walk on the duty no one for you uncle. And what didn't call. And what didn't call. One day one could trap by what you see. My Yasuman. Step was in the Koyajuma. Or target how would you now was so trying. But it didn't fan to do her. And it didn't cry the men fan to. As some were crowd the employer is Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Who's a Liverpool? No, you see, you never go alone.
Right.
So policeman said he never goes alone.
Was it here?
We never walk alone.
Yes.
It's the same. Now what? If you don't walk, how can you go? If you don't go, how can you walk? And you never walk alone. So the policeman never walk alone. It will be the way you know called cheap prostitute to be. Prostitute no so the two son high density bottomic woman. And what she no? And what didn't go see now I was lucky to have glimpse of my eyes. And the way
say a Ghana haya.
And you Ghana
wine.
And you Ghana I'm saying
Ghana haya.
Can wine say
it's like a tuono one academy.
Oh, a tuo crowd, yes, I mean in Tiato be anti.
Make a tuo.
Nasa tuo tight and tax.
Maybe make a Ubia Tiato. But I'm not saying that tuo.
Maybe me petrol. It's me Tiato. Now petrol.
Yes, Toyana, ye Ghana coin in your mind.
And but
yes, I
every good citizen must like a tour.
It's not tax. I'm not talking about
it. Tour bay.
What are you talking about, Massa? Because you are talking about tax.
I say you are talking about tax.
A tour.
A tour.
Are you saying about a tour?
A tour.
A tour. Na tour.
What can you describe nipa?
I'm bonipa di, me can bonipa di. Mwa me can nipa. Man can nipa, me say tour.
Anyway.
82 na use ye. You can use nipa of ye. Na no na disciplinary committee no what police room no.
Titi, ye intwaso na.
One say. Police ni no. O ma suspend no. Am a sabrad mountain ye biem. Now we the way not person no say uniform. Now oh bunny pan. But uniform no add a lot of energy to the this thing.
To the tour.
Yes. I'm a sabre ya terminating appointment. I'm a sabre wa got refie. Enti aye
ni papa ubu pa ni English.
Panning.
You are too clever, but
When the woman
Nipa obunupa.
yes, it's panning.
Se nipa ebunipa.
Oh yes.
Ne bro for your friend say.
Panning.
Me ba cho Oberempong peso osisi mo ha. But modern say hwe me afa ko Facebook. Na tro ma me say obi ebunipa.
Me ma kasa ho bi bro fu ni be. An architect of grammar who can surpass me. I am unsurpassable.
Akwawe.
Awo, Ethiopia. Ya de besia. Na nyambo a daben. Dabe kran ye beba yi. Monday sumbrantem Tuesday. Titi Tuesday na Monday. Tuesday. Oh, I'll try to confuse the days to locomote in an era of fastism. It means I'll force the days to move fast. Fastism means when something is moving on irregular state of movement. Fastism. Like a private jet.
Oberempong.
Yeah, sorry.
Eti, ose obetwam now ede.
Neko. Eti uko weekend no. Boys, men. In fact,
say no.
Me share mo have you
this next week.
Eti uko weekend no. Boys, men. But mo wade no. Make sure you use your core.